I'm out here in this brand new neighborhood. There's going to be over 800 homes getting built out here. There's actually townhomes and regular homes. So I'll just do a little 360 to show you what I'm talking about. And this is actually considered unincorporated Clearmont, and it's right on the skirts of Winter Garden. I'd be the perfect guy to get a hold of. Anybody that's moving here, there's some active townhomes you can get right now. I can give you the information, help you get that taken care of if you want to move into something right now. Or the interesting thing about this neighborhood, if you want to actually have a house built, you can make a lot of custom changes to that house. And if you want to wait maybe 6 months, 8 months tops, you can get one of these houses. And this area is incredible. I've lived out here for over 13 years in Winter Garden, which is on the outskirts of this area over here. And it's incredible. It's incredible. The growth is mind-boggling with what's going on. So anyway, I'm going to show you some of the model homes, what it looks like inside, but I'd love to be able to work with you, love to be able to help you find what you're looking for. I'd be the perfect guy to show you what you need, and there's a lot of other neighborhoods away from this one as well. So with so many new people moving here, you need somebody that knows what they're doing out here in this area to help you, because there's so much to pick from, so much to choose from. And you know, do you want to be in Winter Garden? Do you want to be in Clearmont? Do you have kids that are in school? What do you need on the schooling? So I can help answer a lot of those questions for you. So this is the entrance of one of the brand new townhomes out here. Beautiful flooring. And this is a big townhouse. Very nice. Got a bathroom down here. Nice open floor plan for the living room. And then the kitchen. And then what's interesting, and I'm going to go upstairs in a second, but you can come out here. You have the garage and a little patio in the back. So that's good. And a nice 2-car garage, beautiful flooring. And these are move-in ready. They have options where you need something like this right now in a beautiful area. You can't beat it, believe me. Anybody that wants to move to Central Florida, I'm going to tell you this is one of the best areas in the area. A lot of space. Nice bedrooms. So this is the master bedroom. Good spacious closet. And I can even show you, looking out the window, they got a bunch of stuff getting built. It's all going to be done soon. There's another bathroom. And then we have 2 other bedrooms here. One there, and then one here. All right, going into one of the other single-family model homes. Wow. And again, like I said, you can have these custom designed. You can make a lot of changes. If you're looking for a house like this and you want to move in about 6 to 8 months right now, this would be perfect. Nice room. Got a bathroom here. Again, this is another really nice room. You can use it for a lot of different purposes, but you can have a home office there if you wanted to, or have it as a game room or business room. beautiful kitchen. And this one comes with a pool. You can't beat that. So how would you like that?
And a hot tub.
Nice pool and a hot tub out here. And this is the laundry room over here. I love the flooring they're putting in all these places. That's a really nice 2-car garage with the flooring. And then we have the upstairs. So the master bedroom down there by the pool and the kitchen. Very spacious, beautiful. I mean, this is incredible. Two more nice bedrooms up here. Another bathroom. And the bedroom. So there you go.